I'm Carrie, and welcome to Main Street Sweets. Main Street Sweets is a dessert shop. Anything that's dessert that we can do, we want to do it for you. We opened Main Street Sweets in 2022, and my husband and I own another restaurant down Main Street called Flashback Grill. And I started baking pies for them, and it turned out that they were going pretty fast, and it just kind of came to our attention that we thought Springfield could use a dessert shop. I try my best to make the desserts feel homemade because I feel like growing up with a mom that showed her love with food, I really felt it. If I was having a bad day, I had definite comfort food, and she would just whip it up really quick and would really make the day better. So if I could do that for somebody else, that would mean a lot. We went with SELCO Community Credit Union because my husband and I have been doing our personal banking with them since we got married 15 years ago. And it was a no-brainer to go with SELCO. And we don't want to go with a big bank. We just want to stick with local people. We love getting to see the tellers and getting to know them. And it's nice to see tellers that you recognize dropping off their kids at the same school that your kids go to, and feels like a community. And their online banking is super easy to do, and it's just been really easy. It was an easy choice, and it was a safe choice, and yeah, I'm really glad that I'm sticking with SELCO. I would just add that if you're opening up, especially if you're opening up a small business, SELCO is the way to go. You feel like a person, and you feel like a real customer and not just a number.